So we are answering these multiple choice questions here. And as you can see at the very beginning, it says questions 3 to 5 refer to the function with this rule right here. So as you can see, we've got g of x is equal to this, and g is here, and it's in 5 as well. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're immediately just going to define this on our calculator. So let's come over here and let's define it. So I'm going to go g of x, and the quickest way to define something is to go control this button here, then go x squared minus 2x minus 1, and then hit enter. Now I have defined it. Having now defined it, I can quickly answer these questions. So when it asks me for what is g of 20, I simply have to go, well, what's g of 20? Whoops, g of 20. I hit enter, and it's going to be 359. So that means A is going to be my answer. You can see how quickly you can answer these questions now. We go to the next one, and we're going to do the same thing again. We're just going to sub in the square root of 3 on 2. So I'll come g. I want to get a fraction. I want to get that. I want to go 3 on 2. I hit enter. Now, we have to be able to take this. So what it is negative the square root of 3 minus 1 on 4 and figure out, well, which of these would that be? And just from looking at it, you can immediately see it's just going to be D, isn't it? There's nothing too tricky there at all. I thought maybe we would have to make the denominators the same, but we don't. That's all we have to do there. That's going to be our answer. Then we come to our last one. It says the values of x, where g of x is equal to 4, is which of these? So to do this one, we actually need to solve. So we'll come back to our CAS, we'll go menu, we'll go algebra, we'll go solve, and I'm going to go, all right, what is g of x is equal to 4, x. So I'm solving g of x when it's equal to 4 for my x value, and that's going to give me this. Now this is where we have to be careful yet again. As you can see, what I'm being given here is, now if I was just to quickly do it, I just want to expand or distribute this negative in here. So for the first one, it's x is equal to this, then it'll be plus 1, and then also if I come over here, it'll be this plus 1. So do you see how it's plus or minus the square root of 6 plus 1? That's what it is. And that one corresponds to E. So a little bit of just figuring out what it's saying there, but then we can quickly identify what our answer is. So hopefully you feel comfortable with defining something on your CAS, subbing things in, and if need be, solving as well. I'll see you in the next one.